Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna try to restore the quick release steering wheel. I've had the steering wheel for a good 4 or 5 months, I want to say. Since I do daily the car, it's starting to get that rough feeling on the sides where I usually hold the steering wheel. So today we're gonna go ahead and see if we can use this Kiwi suede cleaner that I picked up from Walmart. It was like $6 a can. I've never done this before, and I've seen a lot of videos of people use other suede cleaners, and they usually use the brushes with firm bristles, or sometimes they use microfiber towels, but today I'm gonna try both. Alright, so we had to move everything inside the garage because it's hella windy outside right now, and there's some dude next door cutting grass, so I don't want that to fuck up with the audio. So let's see if we can take care of the steering wheel today. Alright, here's the brush that I will be using for today. One side has softer bristles and then the other side has a little bit more rough for this specific job. Let's get to it. I've never done any of this before, so if it doesn't come out perfect, that's fine. Trial and error. Yo, I'm doing a voiceover right now, so let's go ahead and start brushing out all the damaged suede on your steering wheel. Alright, so far I was using the brush to try to pop out all the suede parts that's been smushed down by the weight of my hand, from driving and shit. I'm not even gonna lie, I thought this was gonna be a little easier. With some of the suede parts, you really gotta play with it to make it pop out. I've never really handled anything suede material like, so trying to restore it, it definitely caught me off guard, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna try to hit it with this real quick. Let's see if it makes any difference. Alright, so I feel like we've done enough scraping with the brush, so let's go ahead and see if there's really any results. I'm not expecting anything crazy. I thought it would be a cool little video, so let's see if this shit works or not. Alright, so when it's all said and done, let's go ahead and see if we have any results. So I'm gonna use my flash real quick. So as you can see, with the brush, I've tried as much as I could to pop out the suede. It looks a little better than when I started, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. I feel like on the outside, the steering wheel looks good, but it might be just the fucking sun and shit making it look like that. But so far, seems like this is as far as we're gonna go. Alright, so like I said earlier, I've seen people use a brush for this little project. And I've also seen people use a microfiber towel as well, and I've tried both and I didn't really see that much of a difference. I feel like this little suede cleaner, all it really does is just make it look blacker or whatever. But if anybody else has tried this with any other cleaner, leave a comment in the description below. Maybe I'll try something else next time, or shit, if not, I'll just buy a new steering wheel, get something leather or different material next time. This was my first suede steering wheel, my first aftermarket steering wheel in general, so I just wish it would have lasted a little longer looking as brand new as it was when I first got it. But if you guys enjoyed this point of this video, go ahead, leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.